मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Presenting to all of you Abdul's special soda with a dash of lemon.
Oh, what a massive bob, Jethalal! You broke all of Abdul's bottles.
Everyone in Gokuldham Society is drinking soda and burping. We'll commit our next robbery in Gokuldham Society.
Hope the police doesn't show up, Ittu brother.
What happened? Are the police behind us?
No!
Is someone standing with a stick or what?
No! Your lips are below your nose.
Ever since you injured your head, everything is new for you. Lips are always below the nose, you idiot.
Okay, Ittu brother. Let us go to the society and rob it.
Comedy, 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 comedy.
Hey, Goli, what are you doing? Let go, let me go. Yay. Friends, let's play hide and seek. Besides, no one can ever beat Goli in kabaddi.
What to steal? What to steal? Let us steal this.
Yes! Let us steal the aeroplane.
I am talking about the scooter, Dafa.
You are God.
We are safe.
Oh my God!
What happened? Has the scooter's owner arrived or what?
No!
What happened? Is there a big crowd behind us to hit us?
No! You have two eyes.
People only have two eyes.
When did PD uncle have hair? And why does Madhavi auntie have a boycott? Hey, they are thieves. Catch them. As long as Tappu is here, no robbery can happen in Gokuldham. Let's go, friends.
Oh wow! I'll take this rope. It will be useful for catching the thieves.
What happened?
Huh? These kids are following us.
Huh? I'll teach them a lesson now.
Get me off this scooter!
Hey, they ran away with the scooter again.
Hey, brother, can you tell us where is the way out?
It's right ahead. Oh, but your scooter is amazing. I have one just like yours.
Oh, really?
Oh, is it? Oh no, the number is also same. Hey, this is my Sakharam.
I'll shake the world. Oh.
So, did it shake?
Well, friends, what happened?
Hey, sorry, let's go quickly. Peter's scooter has been stolen.
Let's go.
Hey, take me as well. I'll shake the world.
Oh my goodness me! Tapu, they are stealing Viraj's that thing and running away. Are you talking about the scooter, Mom? We know. We are already chasing the thieves. Huh? Come on, Tapu. Don't let them get away.
Ittu brother, the kids aren't giving up on the chase at all.
Hey, Bittu, what are you doing?
Sodi, why are we going in circles?
Hey, Jethalal, the world is round and round.
Right, brother.
Let me take a selfie.
Hey, get out of the way!
Move aside.
Hey, there's no one to be seen far behind.
Tapu, what do you do now?
All of you get in a line. 1, 2, 3. My darling son.
Sodi!
The more incomprehensible the painting is, the more expensive it gets.
Mom, call Inspector Chalu uncle quickly. I can't. This morning I spoke to my dear brother Sundar for 2 hours, so the phone's entire balance is finished. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा.